Welcome to Liverpool, England, a city bursting with history, culture, and charm. Whether you're a fan of music, architecture, or football, this vibrant city has something for everyone. Let's dive into the best spots to explore in Liverpool. Our first stop is the Royal Albert Dock, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Liverpool's most iconic landmarks. This historic dock is home to stunning architecture, museums, and lively restaurants. Don't miss the Tate Liverpool, where contemporary art comes to life, or the Merseyside Maritime Museum, which dives deep into the city's seafaring past. The Beatles Story Museum. No trip to Liverpool is complete without celebrating its most famous export, the Beatles. Head to the Beatles Story Museum to walk in the footsteps of John, Paul, George, and Ringo. Explore the journey of the Fab Four, from their humble beginnings to global superstardom. Liverpool Cathedral. Next, prepare to be amazed by the grandeur of Liverpool Cathedral. As the largest cathedral in Britain, it offers breathtaking views from its tower, a serene atmosphere inside, and a fascinating history to uncover. Anfield Stadium. Football fans, this one's for you. Visit Anfield Stadium, the legendary home of Liverpool FC. Take a behind-the-scenes tour, step onto the pitch, and feel the passion that fuels one of the world's greatest football clubs. Sefton Park and Palm House. Need a break from the city buzz? Stroll through Sefton Park, a peaceful oasis filled with picturesque paths and vibrant gardens. Don't forget to visit the Palm House, a stunning glass-domed conservatory filled with exotic plants. Bold Street. For foodies and shopaholics, Bold Street is the place to be. This eclectic street is brimming with independent shops, trendy cafes, and international restaurants. Grab a coffee, explore vintage stores, or sample global cuisine. Crosby Beach, Antony Gormley's another place. End your day with a serene visit to Crosby Beach, just a short trip from the city centre. Here, you'll find Antony Gormley's haunting art installation, another place where 100 iron statues stand silently, gazing out to sea. It's the perfect spot to watch the sunset and reflect on your Liverpool adventure. Liverpool is a city like no other, a place where history, art, and modern life come together. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which spot you'd love to visit. Until next time, happy exploring.